Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a Royaltie Gem update for 2019 and beyond. We got a lot of things that we're going to cover here in this video, so you definitely want to stick with me to the end if you want to see what's going on over at Royaltie. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want more videos just like this. Alright, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. So guys, I haven't given you guys an income update in a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to the back office, give you guys that income update, and then I'm going to share the rest of the updates that Royaltie has inside of the actual system. So let me quickly go over to the back office. All right, so you can see for the month of July, in sales, we have done $2,229.90. That's the volume. Now, the residual income you can see right there is $720, and that's paid out on the 15th of every month. That's how Royaltie pays out. Now, guys, total, let me grab my pad here. I decided to keep track of what I'm doing in sales and how's the profit and so on and so on. So total, what I've done in sales is $13,572.71, which is pretty good, right? And Royaltie I've never had any issues with any payouts or anything like that. Now, since Royaltie is an affiliate program, understand that you're going to get paid a percentage, right? Now that's anywhere between 30 and 40% commissions. So that's roughly about $5,000, close to about $6,000, which was actually paid out to me. All right, so let me go ahead and put this back over here. Now, guys, that's pretty awesome. And the best thing about it is, not only am I making money, but my organization is also making money. So that's always exciting. All right, so that's the income update. Now let's go ahead and go to the actual updates inside of the system. All right, so Royaltie update section. So they are working on social marketing right now. And as you can see, it says at the $87 a month or above plan, you'll get social marketing. So for example, if you go with the $57 plan, which is the starter plan, you won't be able to access social marketing. Now you're probably wondering, what is social marketing inside of the Royaltie platform? So I'm going to show you. All right, so here is the new feature announcement. It hasn't happened yet. They haven't released it yet, but it will be released very soon here. All right, so you can see here it says, let me just kind of skip to the part that's important. So, grow your social media audience through people who like and share your posts, and gives you a unique way to drive traffic to your landing page with a clickable image. So on Facebook, when you see a Facebook picture, right? Let me find a picture real quick that I can, okay, so right here, right? Let's say, for instance, I shared, I put up my clickable image link, right? And it's basically an image. And you know how people are scrolling down their timeline? If they really want to see a picture big, they click on it. Well, let's say, for instance, this was one of those links that Royaltie is going to have. You're not going to see a link. It's going to be a picture, but it's going to be basically like hiding behind it. Okay, so as soon as they click on this picture, boom, instead of going to the picture, they're going to go to your landing page, right? So that's going to allow you to drive traffic on social media. Now let's kind of tie back to the post. There's a little bit more to it. All right, so here we go right here. Let me just kind of read this for you. So when you post on social media through Royaltie social marketing, anyone who clicks on the image in your post will automatically be redirected to your landing page. Now, right here, it says you can use your own images, or you can access our curated library of over 10,000 professional images and posts that have been sorted for you. Sorted for not only by industry, but also includes things like seasonal images, funny images, trending topics, and so on, right? So it's basically it's basically content marketing, right? Not only are you getting pictures, but you're getting also posts. All right, so I love that they're incorporating social media marketing in there as well, and not just the online ads. So that's definitely a big feature announcement. So let's go back to the notes for today. All right, so the next thing is the true email campaign folder. Now, I did a video, bear with me, let's go back over here to Royaltie. All right, so I did a video basically talking about the email campaign, like setting up the autoresponder and different things. But when I set it up the first time, and if you look up above in the right corner of this video, you'll see an eye. That eye is going to have the video that I did for the Royaltie autoresponder, where I basically set up an entire campaign, an 8-day campaign. And you can see what you're going to see exactly what's different than what I'm about to show you now. All right, so it's taking a little longer than I wanted to, but just bear with me, guys. All right, maybe if I close the page, I don't know what's going on with my internet. I can close this now. Should speed up. All right, so here we go, guys. Let me actually zoom out. All right, let's go to 90. All right, so we're good. All right, so let's go to the email campaigns, the same as I did in the other video. But the difference is, and let me kind of explain it. So in the other video, before this update, you basically had to create individual, okay, so like right here. This is the email campaign that I set up in the video prior. So Royaltie, you see everything is pretty much the same. But all of these are not in their own campaign. Now, when I hit add new and I set up a campaign, I put the campaign name here, and then I put the email, the reply to email that I want. Let's say, for instance, somebody replies to my autoresponder. I can literally just, a person can, they can reply back to my email. Sorry, guys. All right, and then right here, the landing page that you want the email campaign to be set up on, you can pick it, but I'm just going to leave it optional for now. All right, and then I'm going to hit get started. All right, bear with me, guys. All right, so now you see this right here. It says test because that was the name of my actual campaign. Now what it's doing is it's creating a folder, right? So everything is organized. So now I don't have to create individuals. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to hit save, and then right here you see it says add new email. So I'm going to click on add new email. Let me click this off real quick. All right, so it should be going over in a minute. It's just taking a while. I don't know what's going on. All right, so boom, we're inside of the email editor. Now at this point, I'm just going to hit test again. I'm going to hit test again, and this will be, let me put the large text block, edit the text block, and all right, so I'm just going to put test right there again, hit OK there. All right, so boom, this is the example. This is just an example to show you this is the immediate email that's going to go out. So at this point, all I have to do is hit save. After I hit save, notice that there's a back button. If you look in the previous video that I did on the email campaign, there wasn't a back button. So now all I'm going to do is hit the back button, and it's going to take me back to the folder that's now created with that particular campaign. Right? So that's saving you a lot more time, because now before you had to just go back to this tab to set up the same thing all again. Now it's just add new email, and I can pretty much add everything I want within this campaign, and boom, everything will be a lot more smooth. So I'm pretty excited about that because it's definitely going to save me and you time if you decide to move forward. All right, so let's actually go and see what's next on the notes. All right, so I did a video also on at the end of July to July 31st is the amount of time that you have to basically take advantage of the no activation fee. But come August 1st, this will be the change. So August 1st, the activation fee will be applied. So let me just read what they have here. So at the $57 plan, there will be a $30 activation fee that will be applied. But for the $87 plan and above, there will no longer be a $30 activation fee. But pay attention to what it says here. Royaltie will still hold their word for the end of July, no activation fee. So if you get started before August 1st, then you won't have to, basically, let me explain how it works. So you'll pay the activation fee and then you'll be refunded the activation fee. Okay, so that's pretty much how it's going to work. All right, so let's go to the next updates. Okay, so you have the Giraffe Club update. So if you're not familiar, Royaltie is the company, and they have an addition, right? It's not another company or anything, but the Giraffe Club, and I'll link up another video. It'll pop up above my head. That'll be the video where I pretty much explain to you what the Giraffe Club is so you have a better understanding. But it's inside of Royaltie. It's an addition. All right, so let's go over the updates for it. So the Giraffe Club update, starting August 1st, we will do weekly trainings with the CEO of the company and the VP of marketing. These will be higher level trainings, and also we're going to get exclusive information. Okay, all right, so that's the first update. So the next update, and this is actually already happened, the Royaltie email address for Giraffe Club members only. Okay, so if I go to my email real quick, let me real quickly go to my email and show you that I actually have my own Royaltie email address. Now the purpose behind that is to basically help the let me go back. So the Giraffe Club process, which is basically Royaltie is creating everything for you. They're running the ads and so on, right? Google ads, and basically they're doing everything for you. So you're not really doing anything when it comes to Giraffe Club updates, but you will still have to follow up with those people via call, via phone, text, or email, right? That's on your part. Royaltie is doing the advertising for you. All right, but definitely watch that video up above my head. All right, so Royaltie email address is what we're gonna get. Let me actually go to the email so I can show you guys that I actually have a Royaltie email, which basically makes me a part of it. It basically, when a potential customer sees that, they see me tied to Royaltie. Just so you get an understanding of what that does. So you can see right here, I got the email, Giraffe Club email address. So they're basically just showed me my email that they've created for me. All right, so let's go ahead and close out. All right, so move on to the next thing. So this right here is big, okay? This right here is big. So unassigned customers will be given to you. So basically, Royaltie is already advertising, right, to build their company. Besides everything that we're doing, and besides the Giraffe Club, they're building their business. So when people sign up through corporate, what they're going to do, the CEO have said this right on the live call, they're going to assign those unassigned customers to us. So basically, they're going to build our business. And this is only for Giraffe Club. Okay? They're only for Giraffe Club members. And Giraffe Club is $49 a month, and you can get up to 4 spots. Okay? So that's but definitely watch that video up above. It's going to be a little eye up in the right corner of the video. All right, so the last thing is the dedicated support Zoom room to close your leads. So we already have live Zoom support, okay? But anytime you get a Giraffe Club lead and you want to close them out with our professional sales team, you can literally have them come on a Zoom and Royaltie will do the rest for you. Okay, so that right there is powerful. Having a dedicated support Zoom room to close out your leads for you. That is powerful. So I love what they did with the Giraffe Club update. I love everything that Royaltie's doing. They're always coming up with something new, literally blowing my mind. And so I'm excited, guys. And not only, is the system, it's a valuable product, but they pay you. And I've never had any pay issues or anything like that. All right, so hopefully you got something from this video. And if you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know what you think about the new updates. Are you as excited as I am? And if you're looking forward to getting started with Royaltie, it's going to be the first link down below. I look forward to doing business with you. I look forward to you, jumping on board, rocking it out with the team. We love what we're doing. We're changing a lot of lives right now. And if that sounds like something that interests you, definitely click that link down below. And I got my phone number down below. I have my Facebook down below. So at any time, feel free to ask me any questions that you have. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.